Hello, today some further explanations regarding the SIKA pneumatic pump P40. So here you see the pump in the box, and time by time customer asks what is possible to disassemble, and they asked if it's possible to disassemble these fine adjust. So that means we have an fine adjust operator here, and on the back side we have a pressure release valve, and yeah, it's a mechanical thread in on this position. And if you like to change these fine adjust, including the pressure release, you have to disassemble this screw, and with a suitable wrench of like these with 90mm diameter, you can place the wrench, loose the screw around, so, and then disassemble very easy, screw it out, yeah, and then the fine adjust valve, the complete assembly of the fine adjust valve in combination with the pressure release valve is then disassembled. This is G1/8 inch thread, and then of course suitable with disassembly here, and the sealing is made by an already assembled O-ring. So on this position you can find an O-ring, yeah, and so you have to take care that this O-ring is on the right position for the sealing. And if you like to assemble it again, you can use this part without any problem. Hold it a little bit and then you screw it in, at first by hand. The O-ring, tighten it a little bit with the wrench. So disassembled and assembled of the fine adjust, including pressure release valve.